We have a question tonight about a will in this edition of The Law and You. We're back tonight in the Virtual Law Center with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having us. This is actually a really interesting question.
It sure is.
Yeah.
We'll get to it and find out what's going on for one of our viewers. Jason in Squaresville says, I made my own will and signed it. When the time comes, is that a legal document, and is an attorney required to transfer my assets to include my house? What can you tell Jason?
Well, to answer the first question, Jason, as long as you have the capacity to make a will, meaning that you're of sound mind, sound body, there's no undue influence, it is absolutely legal. In fact, I actually did some research on it. There have been some cases where people literally made their will out on a bar napkin, and it has been found to be valid. So to answer that part of the question is yes, but there are some steps. You got to make sure that, again, sound mind, sound body, and you have what's called testamentary capacity to make that document. I'll let Greg handle the second part of the question.
Which is the transferring of the assets. So, like, if you're going to transfer a home, you need to prepare certain documents, which are helpful to have a lawyer prepare those documents, because you don't want to have any bumps in the road with those type of documents. Because if you do prepare a deed and it's not proper and you pass away, then there's going to be an issue with the estate. And so the good news is we actually have some guys in our office now doing estate work. So if you have questions on that, we can really help people with that new type of line of business we're doing.
And sometimes in this realm, you see people that do make an error that could be prevented, and it leads to big problems down the line.
Absolutely.
And we always say it's always take the time to prepare whatever you want to do, because the wills and estate guys, they really know how to prepare the documents and do what you need to do. We always say when people don't do the preparation, it's a disaster.
It's not advisable to put your will on a bar napkin. It's just not.
Could work, but likely you're going to have some issues there. And don't forget, if you want to prevent any issues and talk to the guys, you could reach out on the phone or online. Results Matter attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are there for you.